Hi, this is Kennard Makapaya Cañete, 28 years old and a licensed civil engineer. As a engineer, I have already 3 years experience in the field work and 1 year experience in the online duty. And my greatest strength is that I am always willing to learn and I can cope. I can easily learn those things I am not really familiar with, and I always value teamwork and I respect my co-workers always. But and my whereas my weaknesses is that I am shy type person and I always try my best to improve my communication skills. Thank you.